I'll show you how to remove the lip seal that separates the crankcase oil from the gearbox oil. You'll need to use your large snap ring pliers and remove the snap ring that holds in that seal. And then to remove the seal itself, take a flat blade screwdriver, place the screwdriver behind the back of the seal, and in a twisting motion, gradually work it off, being careful not to damage the inside of the housing. This will only need to be replaced if it's worn, if you're starting to get the crankcase oil back into the gearbox oil. You'll notice that if the gearbox oil is overflowing and the crankcase oil is going down.